The answers for the 10.5 exercise. The two denominators are equal, so answer denominator is 11. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So the first one answer is 1 over 11. Second one also the denominators are equal, so answer denominator 12. 13 minus 7, 6. 6 over 12. Next one also the answer, the two fractions denominators are equal. So answer denominator 5. 3 minus 1, 2. The answer is 2 over 5. And third one, denominators 11. So answer denominator 11. 19 minus 8, 11. Also remember 11 over 11 we can write as 1. Next one, denominators are unequal, so you have to find the LCM. LCM is 4. So first fraction not need to change. Second fraction you have to multiply by 2. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. So the answer is denominator 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 over 4. Right? It is the fifth part of 10.5 exercise. Then these two denominators are also unequal. So find the LCM. LCM is 12. So first fraction multiply by 4. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 4, 12. Minus 7 over 12. Now denominators are equal. So answer denominator is 12. 8 minus 7, 1. So sixth part answer is 1 over 12. The denominators are unequal, so find the LCM. LCM is 14. So first fraction multiply by 2. Then 30 over 14 minus 11 over 40. Then you can subtract. Denominators are equal. 30 minus 11, 19. So the answer is 19 over 40. But 19 over 14 is an improper fraction, so you can't keep as the final answer improper fractions, right? Improper fractions you can't as the final answer, so you have to convert into mixed number. 19 divide 14. 19 divide 14, 1. 1 times 14, 14, remaining 5. So the answer 1, 5 over 14. Right. Then next one, look at number 8. Also denominators unequal, so find the LCM of 10 and 2. The LCM is 10, so you have to multiply the second fraction by 5. 13 over 10 minus 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 5, 10. Now denominators are equal. So 13 minus 5, 8. So the answer is 8 over 10. Then let's go to the next one. 3 over 2 and 6 over 5. Denominators are unequal, so find the LCM of 2 and 5. The LCM is 10. So first fraction you have to multiply by 5. Second fraction multiply by 2. 15 over 10 minus 12 over 10. Denominators equal, so answer denominator 10. 15 minus 12, 3. 3 over 10. Next one, 6 and 4 denominators unequal, so you have to find the LCM. LCM is 12. So first fraction multiply by 2. Second fraction multiply by 3. 5 times 2, 10. 6 times 2, 12. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 3, 12. Denominators equal, so answer denominator 12. 10 minus 9, answer is 1. 1 over 12. Next one, denominators unequal, 7 and 5. Find the LCM. LCM is 35. So first fraction multiply by 5. Second fraction multiply by 7. 11 multiply 5, 55. 4 times 7, 28. Now denominators are equal, so answer denominator 35. 55 minus 28. The value is 27. So it answer is 27 over 35. Next one, look at the denominators are 8 and 6 unequal. so you have to find the LCM. LCM is 24. So first fraction multiply by 3, second fraction multiply by 4. Nine times 3, 27. 27 over 24 minus 20 over 24. Now denominators equal 27 minus 27. Answer is 7 over 24. Right, then let's go to the last two parts. Denominators are unequal, so you have to find the LCM. 8 and 12, LCM is 24. So first fraction you have to multiply by 3, second fraction multiply by 2. 21 over 24 minus 10 over 24. Denominators are equal, so answer denominator 24. 21 minus 10 is equal to 11. So number 13 answer 11 over 24. Then look at the last part. The denominators are unequal. Find the LCM. LCM is 18. So first fraction multiply by 2, second fraction multiply by 3. 16 over 18 minus 15 over 18. Denominators equal, so answer denominator 18. 16 minus 15 is 1. Right, they are the answers for 10.5 exercise.